Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto by K Square. I hope you're doing fine and you're making good profits in cryptocurrency markets. So what are we going to discuss today? We're going to discuss today about a lot of things like Bitcoin's chart, and after that we'll head to uh, Zeppay's new launch, which is known as a lending protocol. They have launched new kind of a product, which is lending protocol, and it offers a different variable interest in different assets. Like for Ethereum is different, and in USDT you're earning 12%, right? And the best thing is they are offering some kind of flexible and lockup period kind of interest. So in flexible, you'll get paid interest on daily basis, and you can withdraw it anytime. And on basically on locked up period, you have to like lock up your assets for a certain point of time, and after the kind of maturity period is over, then you can earn. Then you can withdraw your interest, right? Your withdraw your cryptocurrencies. So let's first head to the Bitcoin chart, and after that we'll head for Zeppay. And one more thing, yeah, Zeppay is not offering lending and borrowing both the products, right? So it's only offering lending right now. So you're kind of lending your cryptocurrencies to Zeppay, and they're giving you interest in return. Okay, daily basis and lockup period as well. So let's head to the Bitcoin chart first, and then we'll move on to Zeppay's lending protocol. So like as you can see, we headed upwards from the pennant. We kind of tested it multiple times here, here, here as well, and we've tested and broke out. Here. We tested and broke out here. So what we can see is that this is the 40,000 resistance, 40K resistance for BTC, which is pushing it downward. We have not touched it yet, but it's pushing us down, right? Let me zoom in a little bit, reset and zoom. Yeah, as you can see, we were very close to the 40,000, but it pushed us back. As you can see, there was resistance at this level as well. It's a minor resistance. I think we're going to touch 40,000 for pretty sure about that. But let's see, because it has a range of 40 to 42, right? The resistance is a zone. If we'll see, if I'll highlight it for you, it goes something like this. So this is the resistance zone. This green box that I just drew. Okay, this blue line is a 100-day MA, which was pushing us down yesterday. Then we broke above it, and then in the current scenario, the 40K resistance is pushing us down, and there's nothing else between that. So I'm pretty sure that we're going to touch 40K or might be even surpass it. But 42K is pretty strong here, as you can see. Tested, tested, tested. These all are kind of strong support, which turned into strong resistance now, one and twice. So overall, the market is started to show some bullish momentum, but still, I'm not convinced that the market is in a good condition right now. Okay, so we need to do a lot of things, wait for a lot of signals right now here, like let 20 day and 50-day cross 100-day moving average so that we can get a golden cross that everybody calls it. So let's see what's happening in the 1-day chart. Okay, so as you can see, we have started to consolidate in this region. I guess 40 will touch 42 or 45, maybe going to the maximum 47. Will kind of go like this movement. There might be like we'll consolidate in this range. It's a quite possibility, or we can consolidate here as well, but like in this zone after coming back from 42K. So it depends, but we'll start moving upward in July or something, as I told previously, that this particular thing, crash, is only gonna stay in kind of powerful bear market for 3 to 7 weeks, and that doesn't mean that it will stay below or in the lower levels. Till the 7th week, we'll start showing bullish momentum and we'll start going up again, right? So right now this feels pretty good, but still I'll prefer to wait for some time. Don't hop in just to book a profit of 20-30%, because you can go down 90%, 70%, 60%, right? I'm not saying that it will fall to those levels, but yeah, you should always have the worst case scenario possibility in your mind, and you should plan according to that. So these are the levels you can see. These are the levels that you can see on the BTC USDT chart, and the chart that I'm showing right now is from the Bitstamp exchange, which is a European German exchange. So let's go for ETH USD as well. Then we'll head for Zeppel lending borrowing protocol. So as you can see, the uptrend is still intact. We fell onto this trend line, kind of trending support, you can say. We tested, kind of broken it somehow, but we didn't uh, held below this trending support. Okay, so basically, quite possibly, if you'll see, if you'll see, it's not broken yet in the daily chart. Let's have a look on the 4-day chart. Okay, so you can see on the 4-day chart, we have started to consolidate in this range, and our resistance is somewhere around this particular zone, 29 3000 level. Okay, and the next reason is here, 3500. So there's a, and this trending resistance could also be in our way, stand in our way, because there you can see there's a 200-day moving average. This purple line is also standing, so there might be a possibility that we can get a reversal at 3100 or 3200. We come down to test this kind of SR flip again. We'll be doing an SR flip for this 2900. After that, I guess we'll be testing this 3500. It's quite possible right now, because the market has started to show some bullish signals. So, and let's just head for the ETH BTC chart once, so that we can get a better understanding where ETH. Oh my God, there are a lot of indicators happening. I guess these are the weekly indicators that I drew, or we. Okay, so as you can see, I planned this reversal here, but it came little bit too low to test this particular strong support here. Okay, and this is a perfectly done SR flip. So this is gonna stay here for a while. We won't be going below this BTC pair, according to me. Okay, we might again come down to test it, this particular trend line, ascending trend line, and then we will move higher. Okay, but I think this is pretty interesting, because we are about to test the upper resistance that we just tested previously, and we might break it this time. Okay, because so there's nothing changed in the ETH BTC chart. As you can see, this white line, let me highlight it with black. As you can see, this path was created long time ago, and we are still intact to it. This correction was predictable, but it became a little big correction. So, but nothing to worry here. As you can see, we have almost recovered the levels here, and we are about to test the resistance which pushes back. So I guess we have started to create a kind of a like bullish momentum. Once this resistance is broken, we'll be testing this one, and I guess this is a pretty strong resistance, because it has pushed the price pretty hard. So there might be a lot of sell orders at this level, but I guess Ethereum has a lot of room to grow in terms of USDT before reaching this strong resistance, or you can say major resistance. After that, we are free to go up, but let's see what happens. It looks good. So moving on to where it is, yeah, Zeppe. So basically, as you can see, Zeppe has just currently launched this particular product that they call lending. Uh, it says earn fixed returns on your crypto holdings, and they have a very amazing line here, quotation: "पैसा ही पैसे को खींचता है," which is from the recent web series known Indian web series on the person called named Harshad Mehta, who did some kind of money laundering stuff back in 1990s, and became the richest person in India in those times. So, and they say money attracts more money. It's a phrase that we have grown up hearing, and now we have built the Zeppe lending platform to do exactly that for your crypto. Okay, so let's see, they have written here how it works. You can choose to lend us your crypto for either an open term or fixed term. As I said it, they have an open term and a lockup period. So let's discuss the open term first. Under an open term deposit, as you can see, you will be paid a return as applicable for the day. That means you'll be getting paid on daily basis, right? These returns will be deposited in your trading wallet daily. You can return your crypto back to your trading wallet at any time. That means you can withdraw that amount that you lended at any time back to your wallet. The amount you deposited will be returned immediately. Okay, there's no lagging period that you have to wait for your funds to show in your wallet. So they are saying that they will immediately refund your wallet, exchange wallet. So as a day trader, you can take the advantage of open term deposit to earn additional returns without locking in your crypto. Yeah, that's an amazing thing to do for a as a day trader. This particularly, if you have a large amount, right? If you have a $1 lakh, so you can calculate the 12%. You're getting 1% a month on in USDT terms, right? So you're getting somewhere around $100, I guess, a month. In a month, you're getting $100, and if you're having a very big amount, right? So you can earn a good amount of interest on that on daily basis, right? So that's a good thing for daily people. And these are the coins that they have listed for select cryptos. BTC, ETH, BNB, DAI, and USDT are there. You can now deposit your long-term holdings with us to earn a fixed fee over and above the normal price appreciation for your crypto. These are the annualized return, that is कि पर annum कितना interest मिलेगा वो बता रहा है. Like Bitcoin, they'll give 3%, 3% मिल रहा है Bitcoin में. It's similarly for Ethereum, we are getting 7%. 7% बहुत अच्छा interest है, especially for Ethereum, when because it has a lot of potential to grow. And if you're compounding your number of Ethereum with a 7% per annum, it's really good in the long term. Like if you're eyeing to like get retired by the end of this decade, you can for sure go for this. Binance Coin is also offering good. It's 9%, and as you know, everybody knows, Binance is a really great exchange, and it's coin Binance Coin, that which is known, also goes by BNB, has a lot of utility, right? Because now that Binance Smart Chain is there, there are a lot of products related to Binance where BNB is being used. Decentralized swap like Pancakes and other stuff. A lot of staking programs, liquidity pools are being built on Binance Smart Chain as well. So it's gonna affect the price in some manner, okay? And the price will go up in the future, and getting 9% compound on the particular asset is in itself an amazing thing, right? It's an amazing thing. So as you can see, DAI is 7%, and the major interest rate is on the 12 Tether, which they are giving 12%. So 12% is बहुत अच्छा interest है, guys. Trust me, you won't get it anywhere in any of the banks in the entire world, okay? So 12% is a really good term. Fixed deposit. Okay, so it's like a fixed deposit of a short-term period, which you'll be earning interest. So the interest has not changed. Okay, I don't know why they are not offering a little bit more in the lockup period. So why someone would lock up their like cryptocurrencies for a particular time frame, right? If they're getting the same interest on the kind of flexible lockup period, open term. So in the fixed term and deposit, you can lend your crypto for 7 day, 30 day, 60 day, and 90 day. Okay, just like Binance offers kind of a lockup period interest rate, they are also offering 7 day, 30, 60, and 90. Binance also offers a 15 day, right? The rate of return will vary depending on the period you opt for. Okay. The returns earned along with the principal amount will be deposited into your trading wallet at the end of the term. You can withdraw these coins at any time before expiry. However, a penalty will be levied on the return. Okay, so there's a negative impact on this particular fixed term. If you're withdrawing your money before it gets kind of the tenure gets matured, or your like fixed term, that fixed the FD or FT, whatever you can call it in short term, it's like it is of 90 days, okay, 3 months. But you withdrawed your funds before 90 days period, okay, before it got matured. So you have to pay a penalty on your returns. So let's go for a quick explainer they have introduced here. Earn fixed returns on your crypto holdings with Zeppay and unlock the power of passive return. क्योंकि पैसा ही पैसे को खींचता है ना. Money attracts more money. It's a phrase that we have heard grow up, and all those things that we read in the previous page. We are sure you're wondering how this will work. Okay, yeah, exactly. We are wondering how this works. So we have put together this post to help you illustrate you. For example, they have taken reference of 1 lakh rupees in Ethereum on Jan 1. Okay, so if अगर हमने 1 लाख रुपए डाले हैं, if we have put 1 lakh rupees in Ethereum at on the date Jan 1, 2021 this year, at that time 1 Ethereum was 53,000 approximately ले लेते हैं. So इतने Ethereum मिलते हैं 1.87. Fixed return कुछ भी नहीं था उस पे because we're not lending it out right now. Okay. So A plus B, we are after some month we are still at the same kind of amount of Ethereum, 1.87, because we have not lended it out. Price of Ethereum changed to 1,40,000. So our total profit was 161%, and but portfolio grew to 2,61,000. Return on investments 161.41%. Right. So here's how the numbers look in comparison when you're lending out your Ethereum. Starting cash they have taken 1 lakh rupees reference. तो 1 लाख रुपए में 53,400 पे हमें एक इथीरियम मिला. लैंडिंग में भी हमने उस टाइम पे उतने का ही लिया. सेम अमाउंट ऑफ इथीरियम आया हमारे पास दोनों चीजों में, विदाउट लैंडिंग और विथ लैंडिंग भी. बट अब यहाँ पे चेंजेस देखो इस जगह, इस पर्टिकुलर जगह पे. इफ यू सी हियर, let me use the vanishing pen. In this particular zone, you can see this is the non-lending and this is the lending one. So basically in the non-lending section, we are earning 0% interest on our Ethereum, right? And in the lending section, we are earning some Ethereum, 0.003 Ethereum. Okay. So if you'll see right now in the non kind of lending platform, or you can say when you're not lending your Ethereum that you bought, your Ethereum numbers does not go up. Okay. Your Ethereum is 1.87 exact. Neither it got deducted, not it increased. But अगर आप देखोगे राइट में तो 1.90 हो चुके हैं यहाँ पे, 0.03 आपको बढ़ा हुआ मिला. And look at the difference between price of Ethereum on April 1 was 1,40,000, okay, approximately. So the current value, if you have not lended, okay, when you bought at 53,000 and want to sell at 140, okay, you'll get 2,61,000, right? And if you have lended it out, if you have lended your money, Ethereum out, you might have made 6,000 rupees extra here, right? So that is a 5.5% extra return, as you can see here. It's a 5.5% approximately extra return. So why won't you go for that when you're keeping your Ethereum on the exchange? You can, and you're not trading it, trading with that Ethereum. Then you should go for this option, right? That means your overall rate of interest with Zepay lending goes all the way up to 165.92%. Okay. अब से crypto भी crypto को खींचेगा. That's the tagline. And that's it, guys. I guess if you like the video and if you understood, I think you should, if you are putting your Ethereum on the exchanges and not doing anything, and it's still there, sitting idle, I guess you can put it to work on using Zepay. So I hope you liked the video and enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I'm posting a new video. Kudos.